When planning a roof repair in Clinton Township, homeowners often focus on durability and aesthetics. However, it's equally important to consider energy efficiency. An energy-efficient roof not only keeps your home comfortable year-round but also lowers utility costs and contributes to a greener environment. If you're repairing or upgrading your roof, here are the best energy-saving options to explore. Cool roof coatings. Cool roofs are designed to reflect more sunlight and absorb less heat than traditional roofing materials. By applying a reflective coating, often white or light-colored, you can dramatically reduce surface temperatures. This helps your HVAC system work less during hot Michigan summers, cutting cooling costs by up to 20%. Common coating materials include acrylic and silicone coatings, great for flat or low-slope roofs. These coatings resist UV rays and provide waterproofing benefits. Elastomeric coatings, flexible and durable, these are ideal for withstanding Clinton Township's temperature swings between hot summers and cold winters. Cool roof coatings are especially beneficial for homes exposed to full sun, as they prevent heat buildup and extend the roof's lifespan. Metal roofing. Modern metal roofing has evolved far beyond the tin roofs of the past. Today's metal roofs can be coated with reflective pigments that enhance solar reflectance, making them one of the most energy-efficient roofing choices. Advantages of metal roofs include high durability, lasting up to 50 years or more. Excellent reflectivity that reduces heat absorption. Compatibility with solar panels for an even greater energy-saving setup. In Clinton Township, where winters can be harsh, metal roofs also shed snow easily, reducing the risk of ice dams and moisture damage. This combination of efficiency and resilience makes metal roofing a wise investment for long-term savings. Energy-efficient shingles. For homeowners who prefer the classic look of asphalt shingles, there are now ENERGY STAR-rated options available. These shingles are engineered with special granules that reflect solar heat, keeping your attic cooler and lowering air conditioning needs. Why they work well for local homes. Affordable compared to full roof replacements with specialty materials. Easy to install during standard roof repairs. Available in a range of colors and styles to match your home's design. Energy-efficient shingles are an excellent middle ground for those who want improved efficiency without changing the appearance of their roof. Green roofing systems. If you're looking for an eco-conscious upgrade, consider a green roof system. These feature a layer of vegetation installed over a waterproof membrane. Benefits include superior insulation that keeps homes warmer in winter and cooler in summer. Natural rainwater absorption, reducing runoff. Enhanced air quality and biodiversity around your property. While green roofs require professional installation and maintenance, they're ideal for environmentally minded homeowners looking to make a bold, sustainable choice. Proper insulation and ventilation. Energy efficiency doesn't stop with roofing materials, it's also about what's beneath them. Ensuring proper insulation and attic ventilation during your roof repair helps prevent heat loss in winter and heat buildup in summer. Key upgrades to consider. Radiant barriers. Reflect radiant heat away from living spaces. High R-value insulation. Improves energy retention and reduces heating costs. Ridge vents or soffit vents. Promote air circulation to regulate attic temperature and prevent moisture damage. Working with an experienced Clinton Township roofing contractor ensures your repair includes these critical components for optimal performance. Conclusion. Investing in energy-efficient roofing options during your roof repair in Clinton Township pays off in comfort, cost savings, and environmental impact. Whether you choose reflective coatings, metal roofing, green systems, or ENERGY STAR shingles, the right materials can significantly lower energy bills and boost your home's value. Partnering with a trusted local roofing expert ensures your project is tailored to Michigan's unique climate, helping you enjoy year-round efficiency and long-lasting protection for your home.